To start drop shipping items from Temu to Shopify, you need to create a Shopify store and a Temu account. First, go to Shopify and sign up for an account. Then choose a plan that suits your business needs. Next, go to Temu and create an account. Temu is a platform that connects you with suppliers from around the world. Once you have both accounts, you need to add the Temu products to your Shopify store. To do this, you need to use a third-party app that connects Temu with Shopify, such as Deezers or Oberlo. These apps allow you to import products from Temu into your Shopify store and handle the shipping and fulfillment. After you have installed the app, you need to connect your Temu account to the app. This will allow you to browse Temu products and add them to your Shopify store. When you find a product you want to add, simply click the Add to Import button and the product will be added to your store. When a customer places an order, the app will automatically send the order to the supplier on Temu. The supplier will then ship the product directly to the customer. You do not need to hold any inventory or handle the shipping yourself. To set up payment and shipping options, go to your Shopify store and navigate to the Settings page. Here you can set up payment gateways such as PayPal or credit cards, and set up shipping rates and options. You can also set up shipping rates based on the weight and destination of the package. To optimize your store for sales, you need to add high-quality product images and descriptions. You can use the product images and descriptions from Temu, or you can create your own. You should also set competitive prices and offer discounts and promotions to attract customers. Finally, to market your store and attract customers, you can use social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. You can also use paid advertising such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads to reach a wider audience. By following these steps, you can successfully dropship items from Temu to Shopify and start building a successful online business.